It was such a great day today. Thought I might do some gardening here. Um, so I got red potatoes. I've got lettuce, basil. Over here, I started growing beets around the green onion there. The green onion, a friend of mine inspired me to plant. Just I gotta be on here. I gotta be next to me. Ah, go away. um, yeah, they inspired me to um, like regrow the green onions from the store, and it grew pretty well. I like it. I've been harvesting it over the last few months, and here is my tomatoes. It's Roma tomatoes. I've been growing them inside because it was so cold. Um, I think, I mean, it's okay now. It's warm enough to plant it outside. However, I still think um, I'm taking it out a little too early. So I'll see what happens after a couple of days. If they start wilting out, I'm gonna put them back inside and let it grow more. So that's what I'm doing for now. See how they turn out in the summertime or spring or summer.